I got over 6,000 watch hour in a night using Restream, and I'm about to show you exactly how you can do it too, even if you are just starting. But listen, if you really want this to work for you, you have to watch this video from start to finish. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Kalista, and in this channel I teach you how to get your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hours, how you make money online, how you monetize your channel, and how to grow your channel organically. So let's dive into this video. A lot of you might be asking why you need to go live through Restream instead of going directly through YouTube. Yes, because Restream have a lot of features that YouTube doesn't have. Restream is a multi-streaming platform that will enable you to go live through YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms all at the same time. Even if you only care about only YouTube, Restream will make going live super easy for you. It has a lot of features. Number one, it will help you to grow very fast. It will give you that watch hour you're looking for. Another advantage of Restream is that it will work for looped videos for 247. If you loop your video, it will continue playing until you off it by yourself, you end the live by yourself. If not, it will come 247 to keep repeating. With that, you are accumulating your watch hour. Another feature is that it works for pre-recorded videos. You can pre-record your videos, then use it for your live video. You don't need to be there or you sit down there for you to go live. No. So Restream is very okay. I use Restream to monetize this channel. In a night, I got 6,000 plus watch hours and 271k views. I will put the evidence on the screen so that you see it. So Restream is very okay, very well. So I am going to walk you through step by step on how you're going to use Restream. To your any browser of your choice. I'm using Google. You can use Chrome too. Type Restream, restream.io, and search. So it brought me directly here because I've signed in before. If you have not signed in, you can sign in with Google or you create your own account. So it brought me here. I will now click New Stream. I will click on Restream Studio. Okay. Click on Enter Studio. So it brought me here now. Make sure you close your camera and your voice. You understand? So let's click on Add Scene. Click on Media. Let's choose this one. So you can click on Add Source, the source of your media. Then click on Local Videos. You choose any video of your choice. Normally, I used to use any video that is less than 2 minutes because the first time I tried using video more than 2 minutes, they were telling me that the file is large. So you have to use a video that is less than 2 minutes. So let's choose any one randomly. I'm not going live. I'm just using it for illustration. So I'll click this one. It will work for looped videos for 247. If you loop your video, it will continue playing until you off it by yourself. You end the live by yourself. If not, it will come
click on add channel. It will bring you back to this one. So if you know the email account you use for the YouTube you want to go live with, you click on it. I'm going to click on this one because that's what I'm using for the illustration. Okay. Click on continue. Okay, so now I've succeeded in adding my channel. This is the channel and it's on. If it's like this, turn it on, then you save it. This is the channel, your YouTube channel that we are going to work with. So it will bring you back to this place. So you have to optimize some things. Tap on this place. It's telling me, wait. I want this they are telling me to upgrade. I don't want to pay for anything or upgrade. So you have to tap on this place, these three dots you're seeing on the screen. Tap on it. If you tap on it, it will bring you here. Then you loop the video. Make sure you tap on this loop video. Make sure it's still good. Are you seeing it? The essence of it is for the video to keep repeating until you're tired. You come and end the live yourself. If you don't loop it, once you play for that 2 minutes, it will stop. Your video will end. So you have to make sure your video is on loop. If it's not on loop, the live video will only play for the 2 minutes or whatever and stop. So you have to loop it. Then our video is looped now. You have to optimize by typing in your this thing, your title. Optimize everything so that it will go far. You understand? So type the title of the video you want to stream, type the description including the hashtag, then upload your thumbnail, update all. Just click and update all, everything will save. Then we have done with most of the things now. You have put the title, you have put the thumbnail, you have put the description, you have looped the video, you have off your microphone and the camera. We are only hearing the voice of the video you uploaded. You understand? You can go live directly with Restream. It's not only a pre-recorded video. You can go live with Restream, but here the essence of this one is for you to go live without being present. And make sure while uploading your video, you're using a video that is on portrait. It will go far. The video that is on portrait go faster than the other one, the landscape. So Restream, you use video that is on portrait. So once all these things you have finished setting them up, you can add music, but I don't advise you to add music because of copyright infringement. So another advice I will give you is, when going live with Restream, make sure you're going live with your video or video that is within your niche, because if you're using any video that is not within your niche, you are attracting audience that is not even interested in whatever you're doing in your niche. You might get that watch hour that time, but once your channel is monetized, your video might not go far, because those audience, they are not there for that thing that you're teaching them. They are there because of the video you used for that Restream. So make sure you are using something that is within your niche. I made that mistake when I was doing my own Restream. I was using stock video. After like 1 week, I didn't get anything until one spirit told me to use my own video. That was why when I edited my video to 2 minutes and used it. The first day I even got 40 something thousand views. Second day 53,000. Then the third day I got 271,000 views with over 6,000 watch hour under a night. So you too, you can do it. So once all these things you have finished setting them up, you have to click on go live. You can put your phone on inside your pocket and go to bed. You understand? You don't need to be there to be watching it. You don't need to be there to go live with the Restream. That's one advantage with it. And that looping will help, even if it's two people that is watching the video till the next 12 hours or 10 hours, or depending, but maximum that I used to do is 12 hours. I will put it in the night till the next morning. So the number of hours, you can use other of your devices and connect to the live stream. You understand? Why you go to bed, because as you're sleeping, you're not making use of some of your devices. You can use them and connect, then go to bed. If you wake up in the morning, you can now end the live stream. If you're still if you're not doing anything, you can still go live again if you're not using that gadget. So that's one advantage with Restream. It helped me a lot, and I know it will also help you. So just click on go live and your video is live.
So here is where some people get it wrong. Just like I said before when I was directing you on how to do live stream. Some people like using other people's video to live stream. No, because in as much as you get watch hour from this Restream, but the right audience is not there. You are not getting the right audience, because if you use another video that is far away from your niche, that a video that is not something that is related to your niche, you are going to attract viewers that are not related to what you're teaching. So you might get that watch hour that time, but it's really not going to help your channel. So you have to stick to your niche, and don't post something that you cannot be doing. Finance and be posting about gaming. You cannot be doing about YouTube monetization and be posting about cooking. No, it happened to me in my channel. I was using stock video for the Restream. It was not fetching me anything anyway until a spirit told me to use my own video. The first day I saw a big difference in my channel, but I was not particular about checking the watch hour then until the third day. Yes, I used Restream again. In as anyway, let me forget about that side, but it really helped me. You understand? Just stick to your channel. That is the only advice I'm going to give you. Then why uploading that your video you want to restream, make sure you optimize very well. Use a good thumbnail. Use optimize the title, the description, the hashtag and tags and everything. You need to optimize. With that, it's going to help you. Then you can share your videos, your life, to other platform or to anybody that you want to share. Even if you have a device that you're not making use of, you can still connect those devices. Since you're sleeping, normally I used to do my own in the night. If I'm going to bed, I'll use all the device in my house to connect, plus other people that will connect too. And a video that you started in the night till morning, you're going to accumulate watch hour, and other people that are interested will come too. Subscribers, I'm not even going to mention the amount of subscribers I got while restreaming. So subscribers are coming, your watch hours are coming. Restream is very okay. Just stick to your niche and avoid anything that will implicate your niche. You understand? Don't use anybody's video. It is not going to help your channel. Use your own video, because your face is the face of your channel. People might like you because of you, they subscribe. If you use another person's video, they might like that person. Tomorrow if you start posting your own video, they will be like, where do I know this person from? So use something that is related to you. You understand? So if this video give you value, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If today is the first day you're coming across my channel, and like, comment and share, and see you guys in my next one. Ciao.